Hello, it's Peter Hall, peterhall.com. I want to share with you about the experience I had last night. There was just speaking word into a fellow man's spirit. Uh, it was awesome. About 6 months ago, I gave my friend Malcolm one of these booklets from The Million Mind March, written by the great Joe Schroeder. It's called Megamind. And with that booklet, I gave Malcolm a CD. I believe it was the Ducks, Trucks, and City Light CD, audio CD. Well, that was 6 months ago, and he hasn't listened to that CD yet, and he hasn't read the book yet. My friend Malcolm is self-employed. He has a business rejuvenated hardwood floors. So he finishes hardwood floors, and he works very hard. So I delivered some wine to him last night. That's how I got to meet Malcolm, and I thought he was feeling a little bit down and out, probably a little bit overworked and underappreciated. So somehow we got talking about sharing the vision. I brought up with something about having a vision. I said, Malcolm, what's your vision? He said, well, it doesn't matter what my vision is, because most people don't pay attention to it. They just kind of do their own thing. So I said to him, well, you gotta communicate a stronger sense of that vision. He says, well, how do you mean? I said, well, let me give you an example. I said to him, Malcolm, you're a king. You are a king. You are a warrior king for light, for the good, for the greater good. And right away, he perked right out, right? So I said, that's my vision. Speaking words, speaking life into my fellow man's heart and spirit. So I said, well, how does that make you feel? He goes, thank you. Really appreciated that. I said, Malcolm, that's all I'm doing is sharing my vision, and you're catching the vision, right? All I'm doing is entering into a conversation you have going on in your head about how underappreciated you are. He goes, wow. Thank you, really good. I said, no, I'm just being myself. Here, I'm sharing my vision. I'm doing me, right? I'm doing me. So that's what it says, do you, right? So I said, Malcolm, that's what you do, is you get, when people call you to have their hardwood floor done, all they're doing is entering into bringing you into their conversation. They're having in their own head about, geez, I gotta get my hardwood floor refinished. So that's what's going on. So when I pointed that out to him, he was, wow, I've got to listen to that CD. I've got to read that book. I've got to read that book, Megamind. So that's the power of words. Speaking life into other people's hearts and spirits, adding increase of value into their life. And by doing that, you really add increase of value to your own life, because you become your dream. You realize you become your dream by realizing at that moment that you're actually living your dream. That's the goal. So I wanted to share that with you. I am a member of the Million Mind March. If you can get a booklet like this and a CD for $13, or drop by my website, peterhall.com, and I'll share more information with you about the march, or give me a call at 289-389-4684. I'd be absolutely delighted, overjoyed to to share my testimony about Million Nine Months with you. I've been a member with the March since almost a year now, since May of last year, and I thought it's a mastermind group of wisdom and philosophy that is really exceptional. It's one of a kind. It's a mastermind group that I recommend you belong to. But even if you don't join the March, do become a member of a mastermind group or start your own. Only takes 2 or 3 individuals to begin a mastermind group to improve your current location, current situation, and get yourself moving forward. Okay? Peter@peterhall.com. Email is peterhall@gmail.com. I'll put that on the video, and take care. Have a great day. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.